Welcome to my channel. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a professional-grade kitchen appliance that offers exceptional performance and versatility. With its powerful motor and variable speed control, it can easily handle a wide range of blending tasks, from smoothies to hot soups. The 64-ounce container allows for both small and large batches, making it perfect for any meal preparation. The Vitamix 5200's patented design ensures that every ingredient is thoroughly blended, resulting in smooth and consistent textures. In this comprehensive review, we will dive deep into the features, performance, and customer feedback of the Vitamix 5200 blender. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a professional-grade kitchen appliance that offers exceptional performance and versatility. With its powerful motor and variable speed control, this blender is capable of handling a wide range of blending tasks, from smoothies and shakes to soups and sauces. One of the standout features of the Vitamix 5200 is its variable speed control. This allows you to easily adjust the blending speed to achieve your desired texture. Whether you want a smooth and creamy blend or a chunky salsa, you can simply rotate the dial at any point during the blending process for complete control. The 64-ounce container is another impressive feature of the Vitamix 5200. It is designed to accommodate both small and large batches, making it ideal for blending different quantities of ingredients. Whether you're making a single serving or preparing a meal for the whole family, this blender has you covered. The powerful blades of the Vitamix 5200 are capable of generating enough friction heat to turn cold ingredients into hot soup in just 6 minutes. This is a great feature for those who enjoy homemade soups and want a quick and convenient way to prepare them. Additionally, the patented design of the Vitamix 5200 ensures that every ingredient is pulverized for the smoothest texture in your blends. Even the tiniest seeds are thoroughly blended, resulting in a silky smooth finish. Not only does the Vitamix 5200 offer exceptional performance, but it is also built to last. With its durable stainless steel construction and thermal protection system, this blender is designed to withstand heavy use and provide years of reliable service. In conclusion, the Vitamix 5200 blender is a top-of-the-line kitchen appliance that offers outstanding performance and versatility. Whether you're blending smoothies, making soups, or creating your own nut butter, this blender has the power and features to meet all your blending needs. After thoroughly researching and analyzing the Vitamix 5200 blender, we have compiled a list of its pros and cons to help you make an informed decision before purchasing. Pros: professional-grade performance. The Vitamix 5200 blender is designed to deliver professional-grade performance, allowing you to create smooth and consistent blends every time. Its powerful 1380-watt motor ensures efficient blending of even the toughest ingredients, such as frozen fruits and vegetables. Durable and long-lasting. Built with high-quality materials, including stainless steel blades and a sturdy container, this blender is built to last. Many satisfied customers have reported owning their Vitamix 5200 blender for over a decade, with some even lasting more than 35 years. Its exceptional durability makes it a worthwhile investment. Versatile and multifunctional. The Vitamix 5200 blender offers a wide range of functions, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. With 10 variable speeds, you have complete control over the blending process, allowing you to achieve the desired texture for a variety of recipes. It can handle everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and even dough. Cons: high price tag. One of the main drawbacks of the Vitamix 5200 blender is its higher price compared to other blenders on the market. While the exceptional performance and durability justify the cost for many, it may be a deterrent for those on a tight budget. Noisy operation. Some customers have mentioned that the Vitamix 5200 blender can be quite noisy, especially when operating at its highest speed settings. If noise levels are a concern for you, it may be worth considering quieter blender models. Large size and heavy weight. The size and weight of the Vitamix 5200 blender may be a drawback for those with limited counter space or mobility issues. It measures 7.25 inches in diameter, 8.75 inches in width, and 20.5 inches in height, and weighs 10.56 pounds. Ensure you have sufficient space and strength to accommodate this blender. In conclusion, the Vitamix 5200 blender offers outstanding performance, durability, and versatility, making it a top choice for blending enthusiasts. While it may come with a higher price tag and produce some noise during operation, Its exceptional quality and functionality outweigh these minor drawbacks. If you are willing to invest in a high-quality blender that will last for years to come, the Vitamix 5200 blender is definitely worth considering. Click on the link in the description below to check the current price.